Greetings to the online recovery community. We are anonymous. We are here because of repeated offenses and allegations being brought to the attention of many in this community. Since we have joined Operation Clean Recovery in the combined effort of finding and sharing truth, our brothers and sisters have since received numerous complaints against a so-called leader in your community. We brought this to your attention not long ago. The complaints are still coming in. We take this very seriously. There have been numerous complaints about the validity of funds being raised from this community for personal use, and the amount requested is substantial. Not only does it appear that this man is wrongfully requesting and accepting money, but very serious complaints have also been made that consist of the following criminal allegations: bribery, human trafficking, sexual harassment, and child molestation. These complaints have been verified as valid by many in your very own community. There are still more victims coming forward. This being said, as defenders of human rights, we, Anonymous, cannot allow for any chance that these or other such criminal acts will be able to occur again. The one being named in all reports seems to be carrying the facade of offering hope. He appears to be a man in addiction recovery, though that has been said to be a part of his facade. He poses as though he is caring, trustworthy, and understanding. He is being trusted with our loved ones, that in turn allows him to cause harm to them. As of today, Anonymous is launching an operation to specifically investigate these matters and to bring them to light. If the allegations against Mr. Michael Pack are proven factual, we will release all of our findings, along with forwarding them to the proper authorities. We are asking that anyone that has been a victim of any such crimes to come forward so that the appropriate action can and will be taken. Any and all reports will remain anonymous to protect the victims. Mr. Pack, you were previously warned. We are done watching and we are taking over. The time has now come for you to face your accusers. We are everywhere. We know what has been done. We know the acts of your associates as well. It is too late to expect us. We are here. Operation Pac-Man engaged.